How to create a split screen video in Kdenlive. First of all, open your Kdenlive project and import the video clips you want to use for the split screen effect. Next, drag each clip onto separate video tracks in the timeline, stacking them one above the other. Select the clip on the top track, then go to the effects panel and search for the crop, scale and tilt effect. Drag and drop this effect onto your clip. In the effect stack, use the crop controls to remove the unwanted parts of the clip, leaving only the portion you want visible. For example, crop the right half if you want the clip to appear on the left side of the screen. Then go back to the effects panel and search for the transform effect. Drag it onto the clip and use the scale and position controls to resize and move the cropped clip into place on the left or right side of the frame. Repeat the same process for the clip on the lower track. Apply the crop effect, crop the left half, then scale and reposition it to the opposite side. Preview your timeline to check the alignment and appearance of your split screen video. Now you know how to create a split screen video in Kdenlive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.